In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the legacy data once you've migrated to HPOS. If we go to WooCommerce, Settings, Advanced, Features, we can see that this site has HPOS activated, but we are still in compatibility mode. What that means is order data is being stored in the new order meta tables, order tables and order meta tables, but it's also been stored in post and post metadata. So that really defeats the point of migrating to HPOS. We got two versions of the same data in our database. So to get rid of that legacy data, what we need to do is first of all take the site out of compatibility mode, like that. And then if we go to WooCommerce status and then tools, if we scroll down near the bottom of this page, we've got an option to clean up order data from legacy tables. Click on that and run that. What that does, that goes to the post and post meta tables and removes any order data from those two tables. This can take a bit of time depending upon how many orders you got. If you scroll down again, you'll see that it's busy running that clear up. Just a point here, if you've got a lot of orders, doing it this way is probably not the best route. I've worked on sites with hundreds of thousands of orders, and running this feature here takes a long time. It uses action scheduler jobs running in the back end, which causes overhead to the database. So you're far better to use the command line interface to do this. I'm going to create another video to show you exactly how to activate HPOS and clean up all the data using the CLI. But that's just a word of warning. If you've got a big database, don't do this method. So if I refresh this page now, it's still running. I've only got 37 orders in my table, so that gives you an idea of how slow this will run. So it's a couple of minutes later and all my orders are cleaned up now. So if we return to our database and we do go to our post table, do a search, and the post type is shop order. You can say that all of these, you can see that all of those orders have been removed from our tables. So just to recap, disable compatibility mode, run this clean legacy data. If you've got a large number of orders, use the command line interface. Another video is going to cover that. But that's how you get rid of your legacy data. If you need help migrating your WooCommerce store to HPOS, please get in touch with me. Go to neilmatthews.com, click on the Work With Me button, and I'll send you a no obligation quote to get your site migrated from legacy orders to the new high performance order storage.